JAHJAH Foundation.
We're here in Dubai. We promised you an ambulance through our fundraising efforts, and we delivered.
Hi, my name is Ijaz Karim and Mr. Arshad Ali, our engineer, and we are from Intersafe International for the manufacturing of ambulances and mobile clinics, and we are working for JAHJAH Foundation. We are really, it's pleasure working with you guys. Thank you.
It's been really an honor to have you guys here, and it's really like a good purpose that you people are working on the ambulance services. We wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Andrew Roberts with JAHJAH Foundation. We're here to inspect this ambulance before shipping to Jamaica. Continue to support us, and together we can do great things.
The JAHJAH Foundation, Jamaicans abroad, helping Jamaicans at home.